How beautiful you are! How beautiful you are! Oh my God, it's like a miracle. Oh my God! Eating the bread in the air, like if it was like an army.
They're so fun.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful. They're so adorable. Tienes que ir más para acá because aquí no is, there is sun. I mean sunlight. There is no sunlight.
Mommy, he wants.
Look how close this bird is. Oh my God. Let me throw the bird. They're so adorable. Vamos para allá antes que den. Hurry. He's so beautiful.
Mommy, don't walk forward. Hi there. Like I said, it's Nintendo, guys. They're
I was thinking it was a bird that was getting them red. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting and so beautiful. These birds, we have to give to the others. So adorable.
They're so cute, Mom.
You need to do in the air so I can take a closer look of them. Hi, they're fighting now?
Yeah. Wait, they think that you're coming to get them.
Try to do on the air so I can take in the air.
But they need
Yeah, the others don't eat them.
the talk. Oh my God!
They are so adorable. They're like angels from God. These birds.
Mommy,
So cute! Look how close it's getting to me. So adorable. You have to throw to the others. I'm not eating all of them. You're so beautiful. Te voy a poner en YouTube. You're such a beautiful bird. You're going to my account in YouTube. In Twitter. Look how close, but you're not doing the right thing, Celine.
What, me? What, me?
Ah, no. Wait, don't get so scared tampoco. This doesn't have zoom to get them closer. How beautiful!
There is a zoom button.
I love these birds. You're so cute.
Oh my God!
Ay, so adorable! I'll put you in YouTube.
Mommy, look at this
I was scared!
Mommy, look at this one.
You got so close to me! It's a bird! Oh my God, I was so scared.
What was that?
No, throw to the others. They don't have all of them, they have to. Hey, look at these! They're hungry. Beautiful birds, so cute. I'm getting closer to the sea. Okay, I need to...
Wait, okay.
Ah, you're so adorable. This way, this way. Ay!
Wait, okay, wait.
Okay, make sure that they all eat. You only throw to a few. You need to throw back to... Listen, to those over there, they don't eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw some back here.
They're so adorable. I love you, birds. So cute. I don't know why they do that. They go and then come back. Bring some bread here, you. You, bring the bread. Bring the bread. Bring the bread. I cannot even speak with this cold I have. Getting closer to the water for my Twitter and YouTube. Here I am. Here I am, and it's very cold. There is a little bird. I don't know why they like to be in this cold, but I'm sorry for them. Beautiful sea, look at the sea. I'm going back to where the birds are. Where my son is. I'm going back to them. So adorable, these birds. They're so adorable. Oi!
What?
I think they did pee on my face. They're eating bread right now. They're happy. And it's very cold.
It's done, Mom.
Okay, so let's walk.
Done.
Goodbye, birds. Goodbye, birds. There is no more bread.
No. We didn't bring more bread.
Oh, how cute how they sound. Goodbye, birds. I'll see you next time.
Do you know what that means? It says no more bread.